be doing today is the 11th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver review, so let's get straight into it. Alright, as you can see, the bars are sick on it. It's got a nice crystal bar review, and yeah, I'm not really too happy with these white things. The buttons, it would be better if you had a flicking motion. Look at the crystal on that, I tell you now, look at that. Anyway, let's move to the features and see what it has. So it has a button on the bottom, button here, and we could flick it out, you know. We have, unfortunately the button is here, which is so annoying. But yeah, let's see the light. Well, luckily I have my spare brighter one, so let's see that. My goodness me. See if we can get up. There we go. So nice and bright. Here we go. That is nicely done. I might do one more review real quick. So now I'm going to be doing the 12th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver review. So here we go. It's very nice. The packaging is really cool if you haven't seen it yet. It's got these nice bars, which I'm pretty happy with. A nice, whoops daisy, flat end here so you can stand it up. Anyway, moving to features, we have... There we go. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!